Fire crews across Europe are continuing to battle wildfires. In southwest France, more than 300,000 people have been forced from their homes. Authorities say the evacuation operation now ranks among the biggest seen since World War II. The massive wildfires near Bordeaux have already scorched an area 4 times the size of Paris. And authorities in Italy's Gargano Peninsula say a large wildfire forced hundreds of tourists to evacuate. 2 water-dropping planes were seen helping fight the blaze that began outside the town of Peschici. The town's mayor says the fire may have been started deliberately at several points, but investigators have not confirmed the cause. Authorities say more than 75,000 people were evacuated because of wildfires in central Spain. Many of the evacuees sheltered in a sports center as emergency services continue to control those fires. The fires are the latest disasters linked to prolonged drought and successive heat waves that scientists say have been intensified by climate change.